Typically, you know, years ago, it took a few rounds for them to get this good in new cars, new tires, new teams. But these guys are coming out in round one this precise. We had a dozen drivers in the 90s in qualifying.
Matt did a really good job. He almost got to that 100, you know what I mean, that elusive thing. Tanner, he seems he's just strongholding that right now.
We're not worried so much about, you know, what the person's going to do behind us, but when Freddie's going to chase somebody, he wants to get an idea of what the lead car is going to do in front of him.
As a Falcon girl, we're here all Saturday long, and it's a long day, but we absolutely love it. Like, we start out, we get the crowd hyped up, we have our posters to sign, we've got our internet and our social media contests, getting people hooked up with all the swag that we have, all of our branding, our Falcon gear. And I know all the girls out here really put a lot of time and effort, and we love the events just as much as the fans do, so we're stoked to be out here.
Run over dudes, man? Huh? Did you run over him? What happened?
Crash.
Ready?
Mustangs doing what they do best.
Peter for a second was on a tighter line, but then catches up, drives through the smoke line, dives in right here on a shallower line, but still able to get it back around.
Forrest is good here, man.
Oh, no,
Like, he's always good here, always qualifies well here. So yeah.
That's not true.
He usually does pretty well.
I don't know.
He usually qualifies well.
Medium well, I would say.
Okay.
Can you say that? Medium well?
What happened?
I did a mistake behind you.
I forget that Forrest is Forrest.
Good job. Awesome job, thank you. Got your revenge?
I just fucking caught it, and I was like, shit, and just like, just drove back out of it. We lost 2 car lengths, but I thought that was it.
Didn't lose it.
But then he pushed right into the tires. It's nuts.
Yeah, his car did not, Lantain just is over here, and yeah, his car did not sound like it was 100%. I was talking about how sweet 2.7 4-cylinder turbo nitrous, but that thing is wound up, 1,000 horsepower.
We complained that our sprayer was leaking a little bit. We just filled it.
We got a water
It was just water.
Getting out to that touch and go. Forsberg snaps back into that first outer zone, and now into that second outer zone. Chris going really deep. Odie Bakshi's now getting all the way out there, now transitioning in that front clip. Odie now right there on the door of Forsberg.
So to win at Long Beach, the deciding factor in my eyes is to have an amazing follow run. You can have a great lead run, like your qualifying run, but the real deciding factor of a champion is the chase.
Odie Bakshi's keeping his composure. Into that second outer zone goes Wang. Approaching that final front clip, Odie Bakshi's dives in on the door. And there are the two gentlemen.
The Falcon tires, wheel suspension, S14, that was Odie Bakshi!